Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you how to transfer crypto from Wealthsimple to another wallet. So first you need to open the Wealthsimple app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your crypto account to access your holdings. From here, scroll down through the list and select the cryptocurrency you want to move. In this example, we are using Ethereum. After selecting it, tap on the transfer button located at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will see different transfer options. Since the goal is to send crypto to an external wallet, choose the option that says Send ETH. Then select Use a wallet address to continue. At this point, Wealthsimple will ask for the destination wallet address. Now open the wallet where you want to receive the crypto, such as Trust Wallet. Tap on Receive, select Ethereum, and copy the wallet address provided. Once copied, return to the Wealthsimple app and paste the address into the wallet address field. After pasting the address, tap on Preview Transfer. You can now enter the amount of crypto you want to send. For demonstration purposes, you can enter a small amount like $1. When ready, tap on Review to see a summary of the transaction, including the sending account, receiving wallet, and transfer amount. Lastly, tap on Confirm and the transfer process will begin. Your crypto will then be sent from your Wealthsimple account to the other wallet. That's how you transfer crypto from Wealthsimple to another wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.